Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use snapping tools in MacBook or how to snap in MacBook. So what you have to do if you want to use snapping tools in MacBook or snap in MacBook, what you have to do, just click on Command Shift and 4. Okay, click on Command Shift and 4, and now you have to just like this, do like this, drag this, and that's it. Now like this you can use snapping tools on your MacBook. So once again I'm going to show you. Now click on Command Shift and 4. Okay, that's it. So like this you can use snapping tools on MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.